Hi there, welcome to IELTS Tutors. In this video, we are going to learn how to use quadratic formula using calculator tricks. Right, let's start from question number 1. The equation is x squared plus 9x plus 20 equals 0. So the value of A is 1, the value of B is 9, the value of C is 20. Right, so using the calculator, we can store the values of A, B, and C first. So to store the value of A as 1, I'm going to press 1 and then shift A. Then store the value of B as 9, I'm going to press 9 and then I'm going to press shift, store B. Then for C, I will type 20 and then shift, store C. Right, to work out the values of x, I'm going to type in the quadratic formula in the calculator now, starting the fraction button. Plus minus and then shift, so the alpha b, and for the first time I'm going to use plus square root of alpha b squared minus 4a and c, all of this divided by 2a, and this gives me the value of one of the value of x as minus 4. To work out the other value of x, I will simply click on the right arrow and replace plus with minus. And the other value I get is minus 5. Right, to do question number 2, we will store 1 as A, and negative 1.4 as B, and negative 19.76 as C. Let's start. So for 1, it's going to be shift RCLA. It's 1. One arrow A is telling me that 1 has been stored as A. Then I'm going to type in negative 1.4. And I'm going to use again shift and store button and then B, letter B. So negative 1.4 has been stored as B, and then negative 19.76. Shift, store C. Again, the same practice. What I can do is I can actually go back and press this one here. Pressing this will give me 5.5. Sorry, 5.5, which is basically 5.2. So one value of x is 5.2. And I can work out the other value by going up again with a negative 1 equal. And so the second value is negative 3.8. Let's try question number 3. It says solve the equation for the values of y correct to 3 significant figures, and the equation is 2y squared minus 15y minus 20 equals 0. So the value of A will be 2, the value of B will be negative 15, the value of C will be negative 20. I can use the calculator to work these values out. So first of all, I'm going to store 2 as A, then negative 15 as B, and negative 20 as C. And if I type in the formula starting with a fraction, negative, alpha, and B, this is how we type these letters in. And then plus, for the first time I'm going to use plus, then alpha B squared minus 4 times A times C, like 4AC. I'm just typing in the formula basically, and then all of this divided by 2 times A. And to type A, I press up and A. And this will give me 8.65535. As I'm required to write to 3 significant figures, I'm going to write, depending on the 4th significant figure, I'm going to round my answer up to 8.66. I can work out the other answer just by by clicking on the right arrow and replacing plus with minus sign and pressing FB, it will give me the other answer, which is negative 1.155. Again, looking at the fourth significant figure, which is 5 or bigger, I'm going to round this up to negative 1.16. 1.16. I hope you find this video useful. Thanks for watching. See you soon.